Are we living inside a cosmic experiment? The universe we are taught about begins with the Big Bang, a moment where matter, energy, and time expanded into existence. From this single event, everything followed. Stars formed, galaxies expanded, planets emerged, and eventually, life appeared. This explanation tells us how the universe behaves. It explains motion, expansion, cause and effect, but it does not explain why the universe exists, and more importantly, it does not explain us. Human beings do not fit naturally into the observable pattern of this universe. Our biology, our psychology, our behavior stand apart from every other life form on Earth. All other species adapt to their environment. They evolve slowly. They remain balanced within ecosystems. Humans do not simply adapt. We reshape, we dominate, we redesign, we extract. We imagine worlds that do not exist, and we constantly look beyond the planet that sustains us. This behavior does not feel like ordinary evolution. It feels foreign. Even from birth, humans are different. A human infant is more helpless than almost any other species. Most animals can move within hours. Some survive independently within days. A human child cannot. It requires years of care, years of learning, years before independence. This extended development suggests something unusual, not weakness, but preparation, as if human consciousness requires time to fully activate. As the child grows, another pattern appears. Human curiosity has no survival limit. A child does not stop asking questions once needs are met. A child asks why the sky exists, why stars shine, why death happens, why the universe is here. This curiosity serves no survival purpose. It serves expansion. In adulthood, the separation becomes undeniable. Animals live within the laws of nature. Humans challenge those laws. We attempt to defeat gravity, defeat disease, defeat aging, defeat distance. We create art. We paint visions of worlds we have never seen. We imagine futures that do not yet exist. This imagination does not emerge from survival. It feels like memory, as if the human mind recalls something it once knew. According to one interpretation, humanity was not formed entirely within this system. Humans may have been cultivated elsewhere, in another time, in another zone, developed under different conditions before being released onto Earth, like a species transferred into a controlled environment, like a subject placed into a test chamber. From this view, Earth is not our origin. It is our release point, our deployment, a closed environment where intelligence develops under pressure, where growth is forced through limitation, where power is revealed gradually, and where failure triggers reset. This system operates in cycles: growth, expansion, achievement, imbalance, collapse, reset. History reflects this pattern repeatedly. Advanced civilizations appear suddenly. They master architecture. They develop mathematics. They study astronomy. They understand the movement of stars. They create complex systems of governance. And then they disappear, often abruptly, often without clear explanation. Ruins remain, but knowledge vanishes, as if memory itself is partially erased. These collapses often occur when civilizations approach a critical threshold, when technology accelerates, when power concentrates, when intelligence outpaces wisdom. As if crossing an invisible boundary triggers a reset. Human potential appears intentionally limited. Our intelligence expands rapidly, but our awareness struggles to keep up. Technology advances faster than responsibility. It is as though humanity arrived with locked abilities that exist, but cannot activate until certain conditions are met. Conditions of balance, conditions of restraint, conditions of control. Every time progress accelerates too far, something intervenes. A catastrophe, a global conflict, a collapse, and the cycle begins again. Earth itself enforces containment. We can observe the stars, measure distant galaxies, calculate cosmic expansion, detect planets beyond our solar system, but we cannot leave. The distances are extreme. The environment is lethal. The human body deteriorates beyond Earth. Interstellar travel remains unreachable. The universe is visible, yet inaccessible. This suggests a boundary, not punishment, control. There is one more pattern humanity has shared across all civilizations: the belief that death is not the end. Across cultures, across continents, across time, humans have believed that consciousness continues, that something transfers, that life changes form,